artificial intelligence, the next big thing. What we need and why we need AI. But we have doing a past decades for this study. There is a Allen which meet a accident and average around 1 lakh people meet the accident, and due to this a major journey of artificial intelligence is started. Ki how we can stop this. There is a person of Jack which cannot see the things. There is a thing like on when a girl go Germany, there is a German language which they cannot occupy it. So because of all these things, we need a solution. Okay, what we can do for this, and that is AI. And basically in AI we mimic a human brain in robots. So we can make a driving less cars in which there is a AI and the person can easily go to their home without meeting any accident. So this can save the journey of that person. The blind man like Jack can easily see the things. They can easily understand what was written on many platforms. They can easily analyze another person's face. They easily shop, knows the currency, and we have AI enabled mobile phones which can easily convert one language into another. We can also identify the human, and we can less the chances of meeting an accident. With the help of AI, we also developed a artist, a basic artist was developing. The music world is also enhanced with the AI. Basically we have the solution of AI apps in which we can return many things, and by this we can have a AI robot in a department of our Air Force which can shows or dictated how we can go to this. And before AI we have an internet, and because of internet every world is connected, and internet is a big thing. But after the internet there is another one which is AI, and AI is made up of machine learning and deep learning. Deep learning is a narrow concept which we discuss later, in which deep learning is basically works on neurons. The memory which can we get by the neural networks. There is a neurons network layers in which the one layer is taken as a output and another layer is take that output as a basic input. But in previous studies we have less number of data and we have less number of software availabilities, due to which we cannot do this. But now everything is possible. We can go with a deep learning, a narrow concept, and for this the basic thing is our Python and the library is TensorFlow. So we can start